In this video, we're going to create a lead management system that can able to book 3 to 5 appointments on autopilot so that your sales team can able to focus on closing the deal rather spending on lead qualifications or booking an appointment in your sales pipeline. And if you want to ditch this manual grind of your sales team work on qualification, and if you want AI to do the heavy lifting of booking appointments in your sales pipeline, you're in the right place. And we are talking about a sales pipeline that runs itself and conversational AI that handles all the heavy lifting for your sales team. And the secret weapon, what we are going to use is GHL. If you've been sleeping on this platform, wake up, guys, because this is the powerhouse that's going to transform your business. Either you want to integrate with your social medias of Instagram, WhatsApp, messengers, LinkedIn for creating automations, marketing events, emails, building landing pages, and creating opportunities. This is the heart of the lead management system. And if you're serious about scaling, you need a system in place and that can able to handle itself, where your sales team can able to focus on doing the work what they are completely hired for, that is closing the deals. So let's dive in and build this beast. So first thing first, we are going to build this stage. So heads up to opportunities and hit the pipeline and create a new pipeline icon, and we call this bad boy as AI sales appointment booking agent, and we're going to make it as a test for this video. So this is where your leads will be live, breathe, and ultimately convert, and finally making you some cash in your bank. So we're going to set this pipeline stages here, and we're going to name it as AI qualified lead. So this is where the conversational AI take over. It filters, qualifies, and schedules appointment all on autopilot. And let's go to stage 2. Let's make it as a hot lead confirm meeting. And in this stage, conversational AI books an appointment, and we make this stage as meeting attended. So they show up. So you're one step closer to closing the deal with this stage. The next deal is in progress. This means the negotiation is underway. And let's say closed one and closed lost. And we're going to create a stage of no show here and finally save this pipeline. Boom, the pipeline is created. So now let's see this thing in action. Let's throw a lead in a bit. We are going to use contact and update the opportunities in a test pipeline. And we are creating an opportunity here. If you come to this opportunity sections, create and add opportunities. You can see this is my contact, where once I click this, yeah, it's already added inside a pipeline AI sales appointment booking agents. And let's me create this one. Yeah, it's successfully updated. Now go to opportunities. Yep, you see this, the contact is added. And you can able to navigate your leads to AI qualified to hot leads. So this means these are the people who have responded to your email, your WhatsApp messages, you're running a campaign, or if a lead comes from the Instagram lead magnets, irrespective of your lead generation system, they used to get updated inside the sales pipeline. So this is how you build a sales machine that can able to prioritize the hot leads. Now, this is just a beginning, guys. We are going to dive into this automation workflow. So stay tuned, guys, because this is where it's going to get exciting. We're about to unleash the power of AI and automation. So you are going to book meeting like a boss. So let's start building the lead generation rocket. We are talking about automating the very first step, getting those fresh leads inside your sales pipeline. Now go to automation, and I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to name it as an AI sales agent appointment booking test. Now click create new workflow, start from scratch. And we will call this workflow as a AI qualified hot lead. Every time we start an automations, we're going to start with an trigger form here. So in this trigger, we can start with this contact created. So this means every time, anytime the new contact hits your system, they automatically updated inside your sales pipeline. Let's say if you are running an ads in Google and Meta ads, you have a form attached to your Google ads. If there is an inbound leads comes from your advertisement campaign, you can connect the system with your Google and Meta ads. So all the inbound leads are automatically updated inside the system. Just submit as a form submitter. You can connect as a form submitter. So this is very powerful. You can create a form right inside this and embed them to any website, WordPress, Wix, GoDaddy, you name it, and watch the leads roll inside your own system. And this is 100% hands off. If someone submits your form, the contact is already updated, and the system takes the whole actions by enrolling those names inside your sales pipeline. Now we need to create the opportunity to update those leads inside our pipeline. We're going to create an opportunity, and we are selecting our AI sales appointment booking agent test pipeline. We are making this pipeline stage AI qualified leads, and we are naming this opportunity name as an contact full name, and we're going to save this automation. So this means whenever leads comes from your Facebook and Meta ads, or if there is a contact created, this automations creates an opportunity and updates all the inbound leads inside your sales pipeline, so that your sales team can able to see when leads are rolled inside the sales pipeline CRM. Once creating this automations, we're going to create a new automation list. So in this automation, we're going to name this automation as qualified hot leads. We're going to set a trigger as a customer replied. So in this automation, if a lead comes from the ad campaign, if a lead comes from any source of the reply channel, so we are setting the automating the move whoever comes inside your pipeline, and what is the next step this automation has to take action once the lead comes inside your sales pipeline. So that we are creating this new workflow as qualified hot leads, and we are setting this customer replied, and we are giving this call status as completed. So in this case, the trigger is something, is a domino effect where it is a starting point, and it is like you're telling when the automation should begin. Let's say if a lead submits a form inside your ad campaign, if the lead replies in your Instagram DM, or if a lead send an SMS to you, so we are setting this trigger as a customer replied, and we are giving this reply channel. And you can set anything here. If a lead calls, if a lead emails, if there is a message from the messenger or Instagram DM, whatever it is, right now we are setting this from the Instagram DM. So that means whenever the customer replies through the Instagram DM, and it automatically updates the pipeline, and we are going to create an opportunity here, and we are giving the pipeline name as AI sales appointment booking agent, and we are giving the pipeline stage as AI qualified lead, and opportunity name as contact, and we're going to name it as a full name, and we're going to save this. And here's the game changer. We're going to set an internal notification, and we're going to type this notifications as SMS, and as if the new reply comes from the customer channel, then this automation is going to send an internal notification to all your team members as positive new reply mission. So once you have updated this internal notifications, once the new leads comes inside the systems, your sales teams will be getting immediate SMS response of the leads contact name, and we can able to set here their email and phone number. Yep. So once a new leads pops inside the system, this internal notification sends an SMS to your assigned team member or to all team members inside your system, so that your sales teams get immediate reply, and they can pounce to their new leads and get them to book an appointment in your calendar. So let's talk about this round robin option. If you have a multiple salesperson inside your team, and if you want to assign those new incoming leads to a specific salespersons, or if you want to distribute the leads fairly among your leads, this system makes your life 10 times more efficient, because with this assign to users option, you can able to distribute the leads fairly among your salesperson. So in this opportunity pipeline, you just click this internal notifications, you can able to see this user. So in this user sections, click assigned user. So with this assigned user, you can able to update a specific salesperson inside your team. That means if a leads comes from your Facebook ads or Meta ads, only the specific assigned salespersons will be getting this SMS, so that no other salespersons will be receiving these messages. I think I have not saved this one. Let me save this one. Yep. And finally save this trigger. Now go to this AI qualified hot leads, click the action button, and set a assignee. assign to user, and username is, oh, I would say, yep, Jagannath Rajendran, that's me. And I'm going to click this. That means if a new lead comes inside a system from the Facebook ads, Meta ads, this salespersons will be getting all the SMS and triggers so that he can jump inside the call and connect with your new leads to book an appointment in a calendar. And finally, save this one. Okay, once you've set this automation, now comes the fun part. As we are discussed, we're going to set this automated appointment confirmations remind. So for setting that, we're going to create a new workflow rather than starting from the scratch. We're going to set a recipe. So you have a bunch of automated templates available for you. In this, we're going to select appointment confirmations and reminder. So this workflow, which is very powerful, first thing first, we want to update the opportunity sections. So clicking this action item, we're going to create an opportunity and update our sales pipeline as AI sales, appointment booking agents, and test. And in this pipeline stage, we're going to choose hot leads confirmed meeting. This means whenever leads comes inside our system, or if the lead wants to book an appointment, there is an email confirmation. So to be directly going to them and they'll be booking the meeting with our sales team. Inside the sales pipeline, this automations, it directly transfer the leads from AI qualified leads to hot leads pipeline section. So we're going to select here as a hot lead confirmed meeting, and we're going to create an opportunity name as contact full name, and we're going to save this. Boom. This is very powerful, guys. This saves huge amount of time. It has an automation appointment reminders where if a lead books and call with your team, it automatically sends an appointment reminder attached with your Gmail or Zoom link. So it has an entire workflow setup. Rather than sending an automated emails, add some personalized message here and send it to them. Once you have done this, save this action and go back. Now, following these appointment confirmations and reminder sections, we're going to create a new workflow. We're going to choose this no show nurture options, and we're going to update the opportunity as create opportunity. And we're going to update the pipeline stage as AI sales engagement booking agent. And we're going to make the pipeline stage as no show. If a lead had a call with your sales team, it directly goes inside deal is in progress. If there is any no shows, this automation automatically shifts the lead from hot lead confirm meeting to no shows. Everything is done by the automations, not done by the humans. And we're going to create this opportunity name as contact full name, and we're going to save this. Boom. Along with that, you also have a reminder options. If the lead skip the meeting, this automation sends an email confirmation reminder. It also sends an SMS reminder so that your lead can able to book a new call with your sales team in the next 2 days. And finally, once you have created this opportunity, click the save options. Suppose creating this appointment confirmation reminder and no show options. Right now, we're going to create a new workflow starting from the scratch. And first thing first, we're going to set this trigger as the status changed. And we're going to add a filter, move to status as deal one. And we're going to change this workflow name as closed deal. So this means if the lead comes inside your system, your sales team had a call with them, if the deal is closed, this automation system, it's automatically triggers the workflow. What is the next action? It has to be done once a deal is closed. Let's say if the deal is closed, if you want to send an SMS, or if you want to send a contract information, or if you want to send a lead, what is the next step they has to take after the sales call? You can able to add this action so that in this workflow we can able to add an email confirmations. That means once the deal is closed, this automation automatically triggers email to your lead by sending a required information. Let's say the from email is Jagan and the subject line is welcome to the Sell with AI VIP club. And if you have a template, you can able to add a template or else have none. So hi, contact is full name. Welcome to the AI sales system community. We are delighted to have you inside. And the next step is from we are going to build AI systems for your business. Check your email for the thank you. So we're going to send this email. Hi, welcome to AI sales community. We are delighted to have you inside. And the next step is from we're going to build the AI sales system for your business. Check your emails for the future updates. And I'm going to send thank you. So this is an action trigger. We're going to set it. So this means if a lead is closed, this automation system automatically triggers to the lead which has got closed and finally save this action. So once you're creating this closed deal workflow automations, we want to create another workflow from the scratch. And we want to set this workflow as deal lost. And we're going to set a trigger as a push notice, status changed, and add filtered, move to status as deal is lost. And we're going to set so here what is an actions we're going to choose is like we're going to send an email confirmation again. So in this workflow what you have done is like once the deal is lost we have set this opportunity status, and once the sales is not done inside a sales call, this email is automatically triggered. You can able to add email, SMS, voice call, or Instagram message, Facebook messenger message. You can able to play with this one, but for the time being I'm just creating this email and I'm going to save this one. That's it. We have created the entire workflow, which is completely automated. This system keeps you and your team organized and focused on the work what your sales team is hired for, that is revenue generative task. This system exactly tells you what is the status of each leads so that you and your team can prioritize accordingly to scale your business to the next level. And if you're running ads, we used to get a lot of unqualified inbound leads in the bucket, so that the AI can able to take care of those unwanted leads so that you can able to focus on the hot ones which are ready to buy. So finally we have come to the juicy part of creating the conversational AI to book an appointment for your sales team. So the primary objective of this conversational AI bot is to ultimately book an appointment for your sales team. And if a lead fills up the form, this conversational AI jumps and talks with your lead and it tries to book an appointment with your sales team. So this conversational AI engages with your lead in a natural conversation, asking qualifying question and guiding the prospect towards the primary objections based on your brand value, brand voice. So you have a bot training, you can train your bot, you can able to give a document of knowledge base to this AI so that it helps to bring the best of the outcome. So this iterative process allows you to fine tune your AI conversational bot until the perfect appointment mission has been set. Let's have a test. Let's say, hi. Yeah. Hey, legend. How can I help you? I need to book call with your team. Let's see what is the reply it's going to give to us. Sure. When do you want to book a appointment? I want to book tomorrow. Want to book tomorrow. Let's see what is the reply it's going to give to me. Yeah, we have got these slots available. Perfect. Perfect. 10 a.m. is good for me. You see, this is amazing. Without your human sales team, this conversational AI can able to get all the information. It books an appointment inside a calendar, so your sales team can directly jump inside the closing call, saving huge amount of time for your business operations. Nothing. You see, this AI chatbot have booked a call at tomorrow 10 a.m. Now let's check the calendar. What is an updation it has been made? Yes, 10 a.m. Boom, it has been scheduled. This AI conversational AI schedule. Hire your AI sales team that can automate 90% of your sales process using AI employee. Boom, finally it has been made without your sales team. So this is how you could able to bring a maximum potential for your business operation. So I just want to give basic updates here on my calendar details and everything. Once it is there, I could able to see all the details inside my calendars and moving forward. So use this conversational as a AI training playground. Prompt your AI here, test it in a real time, refine it until it gets perfect. Then copy this prompt and paste just directly inside the automations of conversational AI chatbot and go to this automation. You can see this conversational AI chatbot here and placed all the informations which has been tested inside the playground and finally save this. So this is the system which helps our team to book 3 to 5 appointments inside our sales pipeline. So if you have a lead generations flowing, or if you want to generate more leads inside your pipeline, this system will help you to increase the flow of leads, which helps to convert your deals. And most importantly, it saves huge amount of time for you and your salespersons. And if you don't have a salesperson, no problem. If you're a solopreneur, this will be helpful. If you're an influencer, coach, consultant, or online service providers, if you're a small and medium scale business, if you're trying to run Instagram ads or Facebook ads, this system really helpful because it's a complete automation system. So if you need help on setting this AI appointment system inside your business, we got you covered. There's a link in a description to learn about more specialized opportunities to work with us. We come in, we sit inside your business, we see how the business works based on your business opportunities. We create this system for you, and we save huge amount of time for your sales team so that your sales team can concentrate on closing the deals rather than focusing on non-revenue generative tasks. There's a link in the description. Click below. I'll see you inside the call.